In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or add cover image or cover photo on your Facebook account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account, and it is pretty much easy to do that. Just head over to this menu icon showing your profile picture and then tap on it. And then under this, click on your name or tap on your name here. And now you can see we have here the cover image background, and we also have here the profile image. Currently, I have this cover image, and I like to go ahead and change it. To change it, there are two ways. First, you can use this photo icon. If you tap on it, it will take you to choose a cover image either from your phone or even upload a new one or even see cover photos. So if you choose upload photo, you'll have to go ahead and then choose one from your gallery and then select it. For instance, if I tap on this, it will go ahead and apply it. Then just tap on save. And then after a while, it will go ahead and be updated and then reflect. Alternatively, you can also just tap on this cover photo or the blank page and also go ahead and choose your cover photo either from your photos that are already on Facebook. If you want to choose from your library on Facebook, just go ahead and choose cover photo, and this will take you to your albums on Facebook. Go ahead and choose one from them. So you can go over to albums or uploads. If you go to uploads, you can see I have quite a number of them. So I'll choose this and then it will be applied. Once you're done, before you tap on save, you can go ahead and choose whether you want to share the updates on your feeds. And when you do this, it will appear as if you have made a post and everyone can see that you have made the change. If you don't want that to be announced to the public, just uncheck this and then go ahead and tap on save. So that's how you change your cover photo on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.